Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to send a photo with text on a Telegram group on your PC with the latest updates. Follow these steps to share your photos with captions in a Telegram group. To begin, open WhatsApp Web on your PC by accessing the web version through your browser. Next, open the Telegram group where you want to send the photo with text. Click on the group chat to enter the conversation. Within the group chat interface, locate the attachment icon, typically represented by a paperclip. Click on this icon to access the attachment options. From the attachment options, choose Photos and Videos to select the photo you wish to share with the group. Select the desired photo from your computer and click Open to attach it to the group chat. Below the attached photo, you will find a caption bar where you can type the text you want to include with the photo. Enter your desired caption or message here. Once you have written your caption, click the Send button to share the photo along with the text in the Telegram group chat. By following these simple steps, you can easily send a photo with text in a Telegram group on your PC, allowing you to enhance your communication and share visual content with the group members. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in understanding how to send photos with captions in a Telegram group on your PC. Enjoy sharing moments and communicating effectively with your group members through visual and textual content.